Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debro, and in today's video we are going to talk about Adverton Affiliate Network Review. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debro for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. So today we are going to take a look at Adverton. So what is Adverton? Adverton is a smart link affiliate network or a smart link CPA network. As Adverton has been established in the year 2011 and it's been running successfully until now. It is a company based in Hong Kong. So nowadays it has become a trend of smart link. So what is actually smart link? Smart link is when you register into this kind of smart link networks, for example Adverton, they will provide you with one particular smart link, and using this particular smart link you no need to find any offers, you don't need to create any landing pages, you don't even require to create any creative angle ads. All you gotta do is you have this link and then you just send traffic to them. You can use various methods to send traffic to them, but make sure your traffic method is approved by the affiliate manager. If your traffic method is approved by the affiliate manager, then you can start sending traffic to them and they will optimize your traffic to choose the best offer according to your traffic location, according to your device and other features, but then they will do most of the work for you. That is why it's called smart. I know it might seems to be a super lazy method, but it is also a super smart method to do. So before we go further about the Adverton, let's go ahead into the website of the Adverton and let's see what Adverton has to say about itself. So what they are telling is Adverton says that it is a smart link CPA network with high performing funnel. We will grow your revenue, in-house monetization, dedicated affiliate manager and weekly payment. This is something that I have heard about the Adverton, and I think a lot of reviews about the Adverton is good regarding their affiliate manager. Means they have dedicated affiliate manager who actually is very fast, very helpful for you. They will help you get to the place that you want to be, and they are very supportive, and their weekly payment is always on time. I've never heard a bad review regarding their payment. So this is one of the highlights regarding the Adverton. So what else they say? Most profitable products, over 1,000 test offers, exclusive payout. So Adverton smart link, we are continuously working on advertising our blah blah blah. Look at this. Our team is consistently developing and testing new pre-landers, reaching the best conversion rate for you, which means you no need to create any pre-landers at all. Why choose us? Multiple test and verify direct advertiser at the best rate are ready for you. We did all the work to select what is really worth your time and effort. Like I said, it's very smart, guys. You just direct your traffic to them and they do the rest of the work. Test offered by our traffic dedicated manager, weekly payout. These are their highlights, guys. Like I told you, dedicated manager and weekly payout, they have been highlighting here because this is one of their major pros, guys. A lot of people has a good review regarding their dedicated manager and their payout. So about us, Smart Link Network, over 8 years, 2011, yes, it's 8 years having developed. All right, as you can see over here, they are based in Hong Kong. So that is regarding their website. So once you have successfully registered into their website and approved into their network, you will be led to their homepage over here. As you can see, the stats, daily stats reports, top countries. Let's go and see. These are the top countries with the EPM: Australia, Norway, Denmark. These are the prices. So this is the smart link that they will actually provide to you. Using this smart link, this is where you actually direct your traffic to, and they will optimize everything. So they have global post back as well. They have traffic back over here. If you want to set up your traffic ban, please contact your affiliate manager. They have referral system as well. What is their referral system? Your referral rate is 3% out of the total amount earned. So they offer a referral system with 3% commission. Whatever that your referral is earning, you will get 3% out of it. So the payment, let's go and see the transaction over here report, and they have the FAQ. A lot of questions regarding the Advertern is over here. Can my account be banned? This sounds nice. Advertern account can be banned for a number of reasons, such as fraudulent activities, complaint on your traffic, very low quality of traffic. This is what I've heard as well, guys. I wanted to say this. So they are very particular in this, exactly something like Max Bounty. They are very particular in their traffic quality. So if you send them crap traffic, you will get your account banned in no time. And they are also very concerned regarding fraud. So they have an anti-fraud system or something, because I was reading something regarding the Advertern, and then one guy was complaining, I got my account banned and they never pay me out. And the affiliate manager actually went there and took all the proofs that he did a fraud traffic, and then he sent it over there, and then the guy just vanished. So they are very particular regarding this. And over here, what else you guys want to know? What else I want to know? Revenue share. Can I use my own pre-landing page? In Advert, we provide a powerful system of pre-landing page. If you still want to use your pre-lander, you can, but why do you want to do? Because they already done this for you. What is my payment period? We make payments 3 days from Tuesday to Thursday. All right, minimum payout $100. That's good. That's good. So everything has been explained here, and they also have their support. My manager is Anna, very good response regarding her. This is a Skype. So like I told you, this is the new method of working, guys. SmartLink. I don't know, I never test this out before. Definitely I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna see whether it works or not. It's different. I don't know how to say whether it's better or it's worse, but then it's definitely different, and it's definitely the future, and definitely we gotta go ahead and test this out. So I think I've covered everything regarding Advertern in this video. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you have any question regarding today's video, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, and we will get to that particular comment ASAP. If you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. And thanks again for watching.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, Adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.